Hello gang, this is just a very quick short video of the uninterruptible power supply that I'm going to be using to provide power to my smart home network. What I've found is that I've had recent power outages, which has meant that the SmartThings hub and the Hue hub meant that I lost a certain amount of control to lighting and setup. So what's happening was that when it came back online, I would find that I'd have issues reconnecting. So one would start before the other, so I'd have to go around resetting it and tidying it up. This way, the plan is I'm going to have the Wi-Fi network, which means I can still use broadband and Wi-Fi on the laptop. I'll have my SmartThings, my Hue apps, routers or hubs, and also have my switcher installed on this as well, and hopefully give me long enough time for me to have the power restored before the batteries died. That's the plan anyway. That's going to go behind my IBM rack server, and I chose this because it seems to be quite a nice easy installation. Ultimately I may end up going for a proper rack mounted APC, but I thought this was a good start. Anyway, thanks for watching.